How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update, and we're literally seeing Bitcoin starting to break out. Now, I've made it everyone aware in my Discord community, links down below, that this key red level 113 to 114.5k is the most important level. It's going to start altcoin season. Previously, Bitcoin had lost this key level of support. When we saw this move to a new all-time high, it's important to hold that low. We can see it was of course lost. I like to use the 786, 886 Fibonacci level as an indicator of what direction it's going in. So losing this level means it's a precursor signal that this low will be lost. So already by losing 113k, I was warning people in my Discord community that any bounce back up is going to form a lower high, and then we're going to continue lower. We saw the breakdown, and in fact the pattern's target was down at 101k. This is a double top target, but you can of course in any direction with any pattern, the target can be validated and then invalidated. That's actually what has happened down here over the past week. There were some initial breakouts here from Bitcoin, pumped into the red zone, and then again got knocked back down under the neckline of this double top. It was equally the neckline of a bullish pattern. Over here, I'm spotting an inverse head and shoulders just there, which we're seeing Bitcoin now break out of due to the inflation, expected inflation being lower than expected. So this has given the market a relief rally. Now, even though it's pumped, it's broken out, it's recovered the double top neckline, it still needs to recover 114.5k. As you can see, I am bearish while under it. So we're there right now. All Bitcoin needs to do is, of course, close above and stay above. We can't have a situation where it's lost it, recovered it, makes everyone thinks it's going higher, and then loses it again. Once it's recovered, it must stay above if you want to see a sustained altcoin season. And I will be providing more updates on the channel of altcoins such as ETH, XRP, Solana, Doge, Cardano, HBAR. So stay tuned on the channel. So once this has been recovered, it does have a target out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, zooming in to the 4-hour time frame now, placing the neckline between these points right over here. And we can see that the target actually will take Bitcoin back up to the price above 114.5k up to around 118k. This would be a more aggressive target, a more conservative target. It's not really that different. Yeah, still is 118k. This is important. Let's zoom back out to the daily time frame. There's a lot going on the chart regarding Fibonacci's. This is my strategy, and it's showing us all the important levels. It's easier for me, of course, with so much experience, to see through all these lines, but you do need to have them all there. So it's showing us in the future 120, 122k is going to be Bitcoin's next battle, where altcoins might start to slow down once again. But I'm certain that on the break of this level, 122k, the next impulse will be towards 135k for Bitcoin. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to jump in my Discord community, or if you want to get educated, use the links down below. Book in a one-to-one video call with myself, or take action on my ebook. You will find the Fibonacci strategy in my education.